vote and support for Senate Bill 1511, which seeks to strengthen the protection of patients against hospital detention on grounds of non-payment of hospital bills and medical expenses. In 2007, Republic Act 9439 was enacted to stop the practice of detaining patients or refusing their discharge from confinement for their inability to pay for their medical expenses. The law prohibits the practice of refusing to release the cadaver of a patient with unpaid bills to their families. The law covers patients who stayed during their confinement in a non-private room or charity ward. While we have a law in place, the practice of detaining patients is still pervasive. Marami pa ring pamilya ng pasyente ang humihingi ng tulong dahil ayaw palabasin sa ospital ang kanilang mga kamag-anak kahit may promissory note na po na iniiwan at iba't ibang collateral. This has to stop or sana po'y mabigyan po ito ng solusyon. We understand that the payment of hospital bills is a valid concern on the part of the hospital, but detaining a patient worsens the problem as the extended stay will only make hospital bills grow even higher. Mas lumalaki po ang bill, pumapatak po ang billing ng pasyente sa araw-araw na nakadetain po siya doon sa hospital. We are glad to have co-authored or co-sponsored the measure which will now extend the protection against hospital detention to all patients, including those who are constrained to stay in private rooms, whether by medical necessity, availability of rooms, or other circumstances beyond their control. So ibig po sabihin ito, yung mga napilitan pong pumili sa private room dahil puno na po yung charity ward, sila po yung dapat na mai-cover dito sa batas, kung sakaling may isa batas po ito. Kasabay nito, umaasa tayo na ang panukalang ito ay magiging katuwang ng iba pang mga programa ng pamahalaan tulad ng pag-expand po sa packages ng PhilHealth. Meron naman pong pera ang PhilHealth kung tutuusin. Totoo lamang po, wala namang excess funds ang PhilHealth. Dapat po'y gamitin ang pondo ng PhilHealth, lalong-lalo na po sa mga mahirap nating kababayan na wala pong ibang matakbuhan kundi tayong nasa gobyerno. Sana po wala nang pasyenteng matatakot magpa-ospital dahil walang pambayad at wala nang pamilyang mangambang hindi makauwi ang kanilang mahal sa buhay dahil lamang sa kakulangan sa pambayad. We congratulate the sponsor, Senator Risa Ontiveros, for pushing this measure at salamat rin po sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Senado. Thank you, Mr. President.